Hey everyone, so here's a quick tutorial on how I made or traced my, it's called a feather flag, to get my template. So what I did was I found, like, say a feather flag on Google, and I copied and pasted here. Now in order to trace the silhouette, you go over here to your right panel, to the trace panel, select trace area, and you get these little, this little cross here. So you want to click and drag over what you want. And then you see the yellow. Anything that's yellow, that's what it's going to trace. So I'm going to go to my threshold and just take it all the way up to try to get everything as much as I can. Now you see that all those jagged edges, you don't want that. So you want to go until it seems a little bit smooth. And then you can hit trace. Now you can move this out of the way. And now that you see you have the inside wording, we don't want that either. So we're going to right click, hit release compound path, and then we're just going to delete the words. I'm sorry, the letters. So we can move that out of the way now that they're all disconnected. Highlight this and hit delete. And now we have the shape of our flag. Now if your flag has the black around the edge, then you can do this. This is what I did. I basically did an inner offset. So we want to go over to the right side to the offset panel, internal offset, and I measured. I forgot what the measurements was, but whatever your measurement from the back of the black to the front to the inner part, that's how much space you want in here. Okay. So I'm just going to do this for an example. And now you have this space to work with. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this back one black. So you go to your fill panel right here on the right side, make it black. I should have made the inner one white. And you see you have your flag template. Now you want to measure from the top of your flag to the bottom, and from the width of it, just so you can make it as big as whatever size that you measured. Okay, and then all this space right here is for you to put your design, and you should have everything measured out to the size that you need it to be. Once you get the feathered flag size, your images will fit perfectly here. All right, that's it. Bye.